Hello, my name is Carolyn Weaver from Body and Soul Companion. You are in week 25, day 5 of the spiritual exercises, and this is a newer video. I did most of my videos in the fall of 2023, and it is now March 2nd of 2026. And the main reason I'm doing this is because Pray As You Go gets new recordings daily. So I've been kind of scanning them. I did it. I have a lot in my manual. I have a lot of Pray As You Go recordings that are linked. You can either do my video or you can do the Pray As You Go one. On this Prodigal one, you did a Pray As You Go one on week 5, day 4. I just showed you the thing in my Dropbox just so you could see you could use those Pray As You Go videos. But this is going to be all about the newer one that was done during Lent season 2024. And it's about forgiveness. And it's also chronologically in the life of Jesus. When we did it before, we did it topically, like when God's love for the sinner, we did the prodigal son because the father runs toward his son. He's not caring about, well, he cares, but he's more excited that his son has returned, that his son didn't need to give him the big speech of asking for forgiveness. He just ran to him and hugged him, and that's what God does for us. He just runs to us and hugs us. So this is a central theme of the spiritual exercises, is God's merciful love for you. This is in the context of Lent. So Emma, who's the head of Pray As You Go, she starts out with, you'll think this isn't about the prodigal son. At first talks about just Jesus on the cross saying, Father, forgive them, for they know not what they're doing. So I am in the description. You will have a link to that Pray As You Go video, and I strongly encourage you to do that. Be blessed. Have a great time. Bye.